valley.
I was just thinking that. When you look out of the valley, it's called looking up. That's what they mean. Look out! Valley!
Curving.
Yeah, the speed limit still says 45. Holy crap.
What are those birds? Get a picture of them. That's the road for Datsun.
Oh yeah. A lot of nice roads here if they could close them off. Uncork a few race cars for once in a while, eh?
Yeah.
Be a hoot. Just to keep the speeds down, you make them run uphill.
Like Lakes Peak.
Yeah. Apex it. I'll just apex it.
Robert?
What?
Please don't.
Well, I'm already into it. I don't want to brake too hard. I'm trying to gradually scrub off speed.
So we're supposed to be doing 35. Those purple trees just pop out of nowhere, and I can't get them because they just jump.
Flag.
Yep.
I think that road was more fun than the interstate.
Yeah, it was prettier.
No, it was more fun. You got the pretty part, I got the fun part.